Hello and welcome to Lady Dynamite Creates. Today we're going to be unboxing an art swap that I did with Kay from over at Kay's OOAK Factory. I highly recommend checking them out on YouTube and giving them a subscribe if you haven't already. They have tons of great videos and their Instagram is just full of beautiful dolls. Check them out. I'll leave links in the description box below. Now on to the unboxing. There is so many awesome goodies included in this package and I just want to say thank you so much. There's this adorable little eraser puzzle kit, and my daughter saw this and promptly claimed it as her own. And I'm in love with this little notepad, the little unicorn kitty ice cream. It's so cute. There are a bunch of these paper and foam flowers, and I really like using these in doll art. They're some of my favorite stuff to use, and I've never seen any of these colors locally. Some gorgeous ribbon with this very vintage looking pattern on it. So pretty. These very pretty 3D applique butterflies. And these were probably my favorite crafting supply in here. I'm so excited to try to use these, but they're little bitty berries for like making bushes and stuff. Every time I've used things like this in my doll art, I've had to go buy bigger arrangements, and then I wound up having just tons of artificial flowers everywhere, but our area just doesn't carry these really small ones like this. These are just so awesome. And the doll came with her letter of authenticity and then loads of yummy chocolate that my whole family dug into that night. Now for the most exciting part, opening up the doll. I'll go ahead and say I was super nervous about this because this is my very first art swap I've ever done, and I had butterflies going in my stomach while I was unwrapping this and just so excited. This doll is just so incredibly beautiful, and I'm here to tell you the camera just doesn't pick up just how beautiful she is. It really doesn't show the gold shimmer to her skin really well, but she is so much more beautiful in person than in photos. Kay did such a wonderful job with this doll. She truly is just so gorgeous. I am in love with the hair, with the little braid details that wrap around the ponytail. It's just so cute, and the purple tinsel is just adorable. And the skirt is just so beautiful with this delicate detail trim on the bottom of it. It's multiple layers, but I really like the fact that there is the short layer underneath so that you still see the legs through the skirts. It's just so pretty. The eyes are just so captivating, and the delicate pink on the lips. Just a gorgeous doll all over. Again, I just wanted to say thank you. This doll is just so beautiful, and thank you so much for sharing your art with me. And everyone, please make sure that you go and check out Kay's OOAK Factory over on YouTube and Instagram. Just wonderful works of art. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and then be sure to head over to Kay's OOAK Factory and do the same for them. Thanks guys! Remember, always be creating!